Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about convergent and divergent. So now I want to show you how to answer. We know that the range of sin x, that is from negative number 1 to positive number 1. Next, we put s squared for the both sides. That means we need to add s squared for the both sides in here. Next, if we put into the fractions, they should be like this. Next, we need to do integration for the both sides. So I will concentrate on this one. So we can put the limit for positive infinity. So this one, that is about identities. So we have s minus 1, s plus 1. So we multiply by number 2 on numerator and denominator. So number 2, that's about 1 plus 1. Next, we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. This one we can do about the fraction. Now, this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we have 1 over s minus 1 minus 1 over s plus 1. And now we have the final answer in here. The integral of 1 over s minus 1, we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 1. The integral of the second one, that is about ln of the absolute value of s plus 1. And we put the bounds from number 2 to 8. And now we have the formula in here. Ln 8 minus ln b equals to ln of a over b. And now in this situation, we need to transform this one into this one. And we have ln of the absolute value of s minus 1 over s plus 1. So we put a and number 2 cone here. So for this one, we divide by 8 on numerator and denominator. So this one we have number 1, this one we have number 1, 2 minus 1 we have number 1, 2 plus 1 we have number 3. So When a approach to positive infinity, this one will go to number 0 because 1 divided by positive infinity you got 0. Similar for this one. Fn number 1 you got 0, so we just have this one left. And we know that this one approximates 0.55. And now we go to the second one. So for this one we can use about the limit a approach to positive infinity. And now we have like this. And we put the bounds from number 2 to a. So we put a and number 2 going here. So when a approach to positive infinity, this one will be b over 2. And this one approximates about 0.46. And now we go back in here. So this one that is about 0.55. This one that is about 0.46. So on the left and on the right we find exact the numbers in here. That means this one should be about convergent. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.